Your ISP knows every website you visit, not just the big ones, every single one. Every site you visited, every domain you typed or clicked was logged by your internet provider with a timestamp which is linked to your account. And later they sold this to advisors, insurance companies, and political campaigns. Not because of any hack or virus, because that's how the internet works by default. And you have been logged since the day you connected to your ISP. But this is fixable and you can fix this only in 2 minutes for absolutely free. But before that, let's understand how this actually happens. Suppose you want to visit instagram.com and you type instagram.com in your browser. Your device doesn't know where Instagram actually lives on the internet, so it needs to ask someone. By default, it asks your ISP's DNS server. Your device sends a DNS query to the DNS server. You can think of a DNS query like your device asking to the DNS server, hey, where is the instagram.com? When the ISP's DNS server receives this, it will answer the IP address of that particular website. Then your browser loads that site and you successfully connected to instagram.com. But here is the problem. The question where is instagram.com travels in plain text. No encryption, no protection. Your ISP read it, answer it and logs it before your browser even loads the page. So they know what you searched, what you clicked, what time you are awake, what health condition you looked up at 2 am. Now you know that why the data is valuable. To fix that, we'll use the Cloudflare WARP. Instead of your DNS queries going to your ISP server unencrypted, WARP intercepts all your traffic from your device and routes it through an encrypted tunnel to Cloudflare's nearest server. All your ISP sees is encrypted noise going from your device to the Cloudflare server. That's it. They can't read it. WARP uses protocol like WireGuard under the hood. One of the fastest, most lightweight encryption protocol exists till now. It also uses something called DNS over HTTPS or DOH. All your DNS queries are wrapped inside the regular HTTPS. So even if someone watching your connection, they just see the HTTPS traffic, nothing readable. On top of that, WARP uses post-quantum encryption, meaning it protects you against attacks that don't even exist yet. Someone could record your traffic today and try to decrypt it years later with a quantum computer. WARP already protects against that and it's all free. To install this app on your device, go to the website 1.1.1. This is the official site to download it. Then choose your operating system. In my case, this is Windows. Click on it and it will start downloading. Then right click on it and click on open. You will have a pop-up here of Cloudflare app. Then click on next. Then accept the terms and conditions of there. Currently it is disconnected, but you can click on it to establish a connection. Now one thing most people get wrong is WARP is a VPN. WARP use a VPN technology to create a tunnel between your device and the nearest Cloudflare server, but it don't perform any IP address change or changing your location lets you appear from another country. If you want to know how you can protect yourself against malware, then make sure to check out my ebook on Cloudflare WARP. You can learn more about a Cloudflare WARP from there.